5 ways to add wheatgrass to your diet. Want more energy, clearer skin, and natural detox without a complicated diet? In this video, I'll show you 5 super easy and tasty ways to add wheatgrass to your daily routine. Whether you're new to it or just need fresh ideas, stay tuned. What's the wheatgrass story? Wheatgrass has become very popular now because of its use as health supplement and many health benefits. It is loaded with nutrients, and it is okay to consume it daily too. For those of you that are new to it and do not know how to use it, you can learn about it from this video so you can maximize its many benefits optimally. Add wheatgrass to your nutritional drinks. Start with small amounts, especially if you are a beginner. Start using very small amounts to enable your system to adjust to it, like 1 ounce a day. This way you will prevent any digestive problems that may arise from its initial introduction. This gradual process will also help prevent discomfort and ensure a smoother transition to regular or daily use. You can also take wheatgrass as capsules. These are available at appropriate departmental stores, but be sure to read the labels very well prior to purchase. Wheatgrass forms to use. Choose any form that best suits you, as wheatgrass is available as either fresh juice or in powder form. The fresh juice version is better as it preserves most or all of its nutrients, making it a potent alternative for health seekers. However, the powdered version is unmatched with respect to convenience and longer shelf life, criteria that may work better for some of us due to very busy schedules or engagements. Whatever form you choose, just ensure you get your fill of this great green powerhouse. Other ways to consume wheatgrass. Other ways to consume wheatgrass are to incorporate it into different types of smoothies, juices, or meals. This is my best way to consume wheatgrass. This does not affect the taste of your meals, trust me. Alternatively, you can mix it with fruits like bananas, apples, etc. to mask the strong flavor. This particular approach is very good for beginners, as it will mask its natural taste, something that some people do not like, upon first contact. Monitor your body's reaction and progress. Watch how your body reacts. In the next video.